If you haven't watched the first part of this video, I will encourage you to check that from our channel, as this is the continuation of that video. Also, I will add the link in description. So the trail which we walked on, that's basically a loop trail. So we went towards the Credit River, and on the way back either we can take the same route or we can take the trail which is on the upper side. I will take the upper trail, and will show you. We took this trail. It's not actually a trail, but it's a man-made trail, I would say, and we just passed through the forest. So let's walk and see. From the top we can also take the top view of this river and this dense forest. The off trail which I took, probably I'm the only one over here in this trail. If you see in backside, there is no one is coming, and once I will turn the camera on the front side, nobody is here, and then I can feel the nature, and probably this is one of the perfect place. Let me tell you an interesting historic fact. The land now known as Riverwood was occasionally used by First Nation as a trading ground. The community surrounding Riverwood, Erindale, got its start in 1818 when the Mississauga Indians sold their designated mile on either side of the Credit River to the British government, who wanted the tall white pines for Kings Masting to rebuild their navy. Wow, look what is there on the hiking trail. Buddy was enjoying with his RC rock crawler. Got to know some cool stuffs about this crawler. Don't want to climb, then probably I'd suggest you stick to the riverside trail, because when I'm walking up it's a little bit stiff, and probably I need to stop vlogging now, and unless I reach on the top. After that I need to stop, and I need to probably climb a little bit from here. Here we have seen Chapel House or Parker House. In 1913, W.R.P. Parker, a Trianovist lawyer, bought property in Erindale as a summer retreat for his family. His wife, Ida, named the property Riverwood. After World War I, Mr. Parker wanted to redesign the house in modern style. The crew excavated stones from the Credit River and completed the house in 1919. The house not only complemented Parker's lifestyle, but it fits perfectly with its natural surroundings. Okay, so I have completed this 3.5 kilometers loop trail, and it was really amazing. Lots of things we have seen on the way and experienced the nature so closely. I am just, what I will say, just it just made my day, you know. So if you are exploring these nearby places over here in GTA, and also if you are roaming around in Mississauga and exploring different park, then I definitely recommend you to visit this Riverwood trail and also explore its surroundings. And yeah, so if you have enjoyed this video, stay connected. See you next weekend with an awesome destination. See you.